Today I'll show you Liteed AI-Advisor, a tool that helps you stay on track, grow faster, and run your business more efficiently. It gives you daily advice, helps you log your progress, and lets you chat with an AI that understands your goals and contexts. AI Advisor analyzes your organization's context, your plans, and your daily progress. It generates personalized daily recommendations, tracks your consistency, and gives real-time support when you need it. If you open Liteed.com advisor, you will see some general information about the advisor, basically what I've just told you. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. If you do already have one, just log in and you will see this login or sign up page. I will use my Google Auth. Okay, so that's the landing page. When you signed up or when you logged in, you will see that an organization, a default organization, will be created for you. And you can go to the advisor, clicking this services menu, and then you will see advisor. And that opens your main dashboard. As soon as the page loads, your daily advice is generated automatically. It's right here in the left-hand side. It uses your current goals, inputs, and recent activity to produce actionable steps for the day. You can regenerate it anytime if your plans changed. It needs your organization context, so make sure that, okay, let's wait till it generates, although you can navigate away. Okay, so it's done. So we regenerated. Now we see that we have two advices, one and the first, and the second. And going back to the organization contacts, if you go to the user menu, you will see the organization name, and go ahead and click on it, and you will see the organization. So you can edit the name, and you can edit all the fields here. For example, let's change this company. My beautiful company. Save it, and then we can change the context. For example, we are a small digital first service company focused on automation and productivity tools for SMBs. Okay. Business goals: grow recurrent revenue, improve lead generation, and streamline internal operations to reduce manual workload. That's an example. Okay, current projects. Example could be launching a new client onboarding system, improving marketing funnel, and preparing for upcoming product updates. Tools and software. You can just list all the tools and all the software that you've been using. For example, here you can write down using Notion for notes, Google Workspace for operations, HubSpot CRM for contacts, and Liteed AI-Advisor for planning and tracking. Business challenges. Example could be inconsistent marketing execution, limited automation in daily workflows, and slow follow-up with inbound leads. Customer base. Small and medium businesses in Europe and Asia, mainly in services and consulting. Typical agents need help with workflow optimization. Competitors, local automation, for example, that can be local automation consultants, small software agencies, and DIY tools like Zapier and N8N. Marketing trends. Describe anything you know or anything you want to let AI know about the marketing trends that surround your product and surround your launch. In our case, it can be, as example, growing demand for automation, rising interest in AI-assisted workflow, and increased competition in digital services. Financial overview, uh, you can just write whatever you think is necessary, whatever you want to let AI know about your financial state. Okay, so our example here is stable revenue with moderate growth. Main focus is improving predictability and increasing subscription income. Okay, company size and structure. For example, solo founder with part-time contractors expanding to 2-3 roles as operations scale. Just go ahead and save. Okay, so our context is saved. You can update it anytime in future. And we go back to advisor. We can regenerate it and see what happens. Let's wait for it regenerating the advice for us. Takes some little time. Okay, it knows my name. Okay, I think it inferred it from my username. So it says, nice start, Michael. You've kicked off Liteed, set up a domain and Amazon seller account, and plan to open a business account. Your goals of recurring revenue growth, better lead generation, and streamlined operations guide today's steps. Prepare for bank visit. Bring all required documents, tax. Okay, it actually uh, it actually bases on daily progress log because yesterday I used this account to log a daily progress where I wrote down that I set up a domain and Amazon seller account, and now I plan to open the business account. And that brings us to the daily progress logs. On the right hand side, right here, you'll see the daily progress log. Here you can record whatever you did today, even small achievements. This helps the system track momentum and adjust future advice. For example, today it can be um, started or reshaped the organization context in Liteed AI-Advisor and recorded the first introduction intro video for YouTube, for example. Okay, now it's saved automatically. However, you still can use the save button. Finally, you have the chat. You can start a new conversation anytime, ask for a review of your status, get guidance for today, or request motivation and clarity. The AI uses your full context, past logs, and goals to respond in a meaningful way. So you can use one of the shortcuts here, motivate me, how am I doing, review status, or you can type the message directly here. You can type the same message or you can type any other message you would like AI to start with. For example, uh, what are my tasks for today? I have a couple of hours which I would like to spend on the most effective task. Suggest the most effective task I can work on during those 2 hours, during the next 2 hours. Send. Okay, let's see what it says. So it's taken the company, the organization context, and it also takes all the progress logs which you ended till that moment, which you entered till this moment, and it will analyze it and it will suggest some tasks to do. Set up a 3-step inbound lead follow-up automation in HubSpot with ready-to-use email to encounter state. Yeah, so basically this is what you can do within 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, it makes sense. Another usage way could be motivation. For example, you can say motivate me. Okay. Again, it takes the context of your company and it takes the progress logs for the last time, and it starts motivating you. You're building a scalable engine for growth. Automation compounds your effort into more leads, more booked calls, and less manual toil. Do a 2-hour sprint, finish email one draft, and set up 1-day trigger in the workflow, then run a quick test. You've started already. Maintaining momentum today will pay off in steady inbound filling and predictable revenue. Well, that looks pretty nice. That's the Liteed AI Advisor. Daily advice, progress tracking, and real-time support all in one place. Try it at liteed.com/advisor and start building with more clarity and momentum.